Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E11 error and you are wondering what is this error and what do I need to do? So the E11 error, a little bit of bad news is this is not an easy fix for just a homeowner to do. The E11 error is an overflow error. So that means that the washing machine senses that there's too much water in there. It's not able to properly control the water going in. So this is likely a problem with the inlet valve that will need to be replaced, which is not something that's easy to do for a homeowner. And but one thing that you need to do if you get this error is just come in behind, and you're going to need to turn the water off because what can happen is you can end up with a flood or a leak if you don't turn the water off. So, before you call a technician. So anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on, and helps keep your, your bathroom from flooding. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.